नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी अपने घर पर होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे। आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे एक ऐसी कंपनी के बारे में जिसमें मैंने अपने करियर के अप्रोक्स 4 ईयर स्पेंड किए हैं, जहां पर मैंने बहुत सारी मेमोरी क्रिएट की है जिसको मैं अपने शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकता। इसके लिए मैं डेफिनेटली एक वीडियो क्रिएट करूँगा जिसमें से कि आप देख सकोगे कि मैंने कितने एडवेंचर वहाँ पर किए और क्या कुछ मैंने गेन किया। ये पहली ऐसी कंपनी थी जिसमें मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि मैं भी इस लेवल पे आके इंडिया की हेल्प कर सकता हूँ, जिसमें कि मैं कुछ थोड़ा सा टैक्स अपना पे कर सकूँ। अब मैं बात करूँगा कि फ्रेंड सर्कल की, कि मेरा फ्रेंड सर्कल कैसा था और कैसे लोग थे। तो वहाँ पर हमने करीबन मेरे 6 या 7 ऐसे फ्रेंड हैं जिनको मैं कभी भी अपनी लाइफ में भूल नहीं पाऊँगा, जो कि मैं अभी भी उनके टच में हूँ और वो भी मेरे टच में हैं। हम क्या करते थे कि जब भी हम नाइट स्टे करते थे या नाइट के अंदर जैसे कि प्रोडक्शन रिलीज़ कुछ जाता था, तो हम वहीं पर हम सारे ग्रुप में बैठ के वहीं पर वर्क करते थे। उसके बाद हमारी इवनिंग पार्टी, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे वी आर गोइंग फॉर द आउटसाइड ऑफ आवर ऑफिस एंड देयर वी आर डूइंग द स्मॉल पार्टी एंड दैट इज़ वेरी मेमोरेबल डे। मैं जिसको कभी भी नहीं भूल पाऊँगा। बेस्ट कंपनी इन विच आई स्पेंड अप्रोक्स 4 ईयर, जो कि मेरी लाइफ का काफ़ी अच्छा स्पैन रहा है, वो मैं आज आपके साथ शेयर करूँगा। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ एक ऐसी कंपनी के बारे में जो कि एम्प्लॉई को फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस देती है एज़ कम्पेयर टू देयर मैनेजमेंट। यस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपनी, दैट इज़ द भावना सॉफ्टवेयर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, जो कि नोएडा के सेक्टर 62 में है। मैंने वहाँ पर 2014 में ज्वाइन किया था और जबकि कंपनी स्टार्ट हुई है 2013 में। सो यू कैन से इट्स अ स्टार्टअप टाइप ऑफ कंपनी। नाउ इट इज़ ऑन टू द वेरी गुड रोड मैप they are carrying, and based on that they recently opened one more branch into the Hyderabad location. So now company are growing day by day and it's good for us also because we also the part of that as a ex-employee of this company. So वहाँ पर मैं बात करूँगा कि किस तरह का मैंने कल्चर देखा है और किस तरह का मैनेजमेंट है वहाँ पर। तो कल्चर वाइज इफ़ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, आई हैव अराउंड 6-7 पीपल्स as a friend circle, so that are very great there. So I am always be thankful to become my friend there, and they are in my touch. So whenever I feel I need some suggestion and all, I will definitely going to that people. So they are always telling me the good things, so that will always help me into the career perspective also or the personal level also. So अब मैं बात करूँगा यहाँ पर कि मैनेजमेंट कैसी है। So the company logo is, or the company headline is, they are always be keeping their employee always ahead from the management side. If any of the employee or any of the team member having any of the problem, then they can directly talk to the CEO of the company, and there is no any type of special appointment is required. You just simply ping on like team and all, so they can reply you within a 30 minutes. Although he is always be very busy, but for the employee perspective he always giving the response within a 30 minute. So that is a good quality into the CEO. अब मैं CEO की बात करूँगा कि who is the CEO? CEO is Unmesh Mehta. So we are Unmesh Mehta is the Uno because he like that name. So that's why we are always telling or calling with the Uno name. So he is very humble guy. So whenever or any of the employee need any of the help at the professional level or the personal level, he is always be come forward and help beyond his capacity or the limit. And the good thing about the CEO is he is around 60 plus year of guy, and if you see like within a year he is visit to the India because of the setup and everything 8 to 10 times. So that is also the one of the big things because he is doing this in so far location and all. So that is very good also because he is very dedicated and we always learning so many things from person. So he is very humble, I mean to say. I spent there around 4 year, approx 4 year. So जहाँ पर मैंने कभी भी अपने आप को लो फील नहीं किया, बट मेरा छोड़ने का रीज़न कुछ और था। यू नो दैट आफ्टर सर्टेन ईयर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस यू ऑलवेज गोइंग टू मूव ऑन बिकॉज यू नीड सम ऑफ द things, like maybe at the career perspective or the money perspective. So that's why I move on from the company. But still they are shooting a mail like, if you want to join, so you are always welcome to the company. It's not for me for all the ex-employee of the Bhavna Software. So that is their good things. And other thing is appraisal wise, so the appraisal culture is very good there. So generally they are having the review process. It is always started into the April, and in the May they are providing the things, all the whatever the aerial is coming from the within a 2-3 months, so they will provide in the May salary. And the appraisal between 8 to 15%, and if the people have the less package as compared to the market standard, so always they are going to the correction at in middle of the year. And they are also giving the some bonus also at the joining time. And like now they have the variable pay also paying as a performance bonus, so that is a good things they are maintaining as of now. And yeah, so management side also they are very humble, so there is no any of the I things in them. So I feel my span I spent there, so that is memorable for me. So I created so much memory there, and soon I will be share one more video there. I will show you the whole journey where I spent the 4 months with my best colleagues. So that's all for about this company. And if you want to join this organization, you no need to do any much things there. You can directly approach to the company. You can directly go to the Bhavna website and Bhavna Corp website, and there is the HR email is already there. You can send your resume to them, and they will definitely call you within a 2 or 3 days. And if you have the more capability, so they will give you the based on your capability and the things. So there, or the salary side also, there is a no much bar. So if you deserve, then they will definitely give you the good package and all. And if you want to go with the long term also, so this company is good. There is a no problem which I seen as of now, because my friend is still they are working from more than 6 or 6.5 year, and still they are continuing with this one, and they will also not feel any of the low and all, because technology, you know that technology is always be changing day by day. So they are also adapting or taking that such type of project, so the people will also be more interested. So it means the company is also not the product based, but yeah, if you have the idea, you can tell them, so they can also work onto this one. But mainly they are dealing into the service side. So they have the every type of project, like health based project, or the financial domain based project, or any other general purpose type of domain. So I hope you like this much of information. If you need much more information, you can connect with that company, or you can shoot a query to me. So I will also try to help you as much as possible. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening these things about the company, and